How to fix mic not working on Discord. So if you want to fix mic not working on your Discord, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Discord application, or you can also go with your browser if you don't have your application. It's the same interface. So you need to just go with your browser and then search for Discord. Make sure that you've logged into your account. And once you've logged into your account, you need to go with your user settings, which is on the bottom. From the user settings here on the left side, you'll have voice and video. Under your app settings, you need to go with voice and video. Once you click on this one, you'll be directly to your voice settings. So if you have any mic issues, then you can just simply go with let's check, which is right here under the mic test. You can go with uh, let's check. And if you have any mic issues, you can go and start a test and say something fun, and then they'll play back your voice. In my case, it's working, but if it's not working on your end, try to go to the input device settings, which is on the top. Go with the drop down. Make sure that you choose the correct microphone on this device. But if it's still not working right, then all you need to do is just simply go to the sounds icon, which is on the top right. And here you can just simply go with your soundboard volume and make sure that it is turned on or it's full. And the other thing you need to do is just right click on your sound, which is here on the bottom right. And from here, you just need simply go with sound or open sound settings. Go with open sound settings, and it will take it to your settings. Now here you need to scroll down, and then under your input, you need to just go with the microphone. You can select your correct microphone. But if this still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go back, and here you need to right click on your Windows and then go with device manager. Under your device manager, you can go with your sound, video, and game controllers. You need to right click on it, go with properties, or just simply go with your sound, your sound that you're using. After that, right click on it, go with update driver, or go with properties and then go with driver. And here you need to go with update, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can go back and open up your control panel. So search for control panel. After that, you can go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.